If you go through my day 1, day 2, day 3 video, you know that I'm wearing the same outfit and I'm on the same background. That's because I'm shooting 5 videos. As you can see, this is day 4 and this is my day 5 idea. All right, so this is day 4 of the 100 days challenge, and I'm gonna be talking on the topic: you don't need to blow up, you just need to grow up. Right? Yeah, grow up. All right, so some of you are gonna start this challenge with me, and you would want maybe on the 15th day, may your channel will just blow. What content creators, they will tell you that one of their videos that went viral at a point really spoiled some things for them. Reason being that one video that went viral maybe got them views and watch hour and all of that, but by the time maybe it was a trending topic they made with that video, but by the time that topic is done, it fizzles away. Okay, so don't just ask for your channel to just blow up. Ask God for the consistency to maintain a high, whatever you're expecting, high views, high revenue, high subscribers. Like let me don't, after climbing maybe 100,000 views, 700 dollars revenue, I'll now fall. Okay, so guys, one of the things that the urge to just blow up doors is that it puts you in this box of, you start comparing yourselves. You start comparing yourself to those that their own channel have done well or is doing well, and you tend to lose originality, you tend to lose authenticity. The best thing you can do for yourself is to come on this same YouTube and make research. What is the best way to set up my YouTube channel? Since I don't have a laptop, can I use a phone? Do I have any video here on YouTube that says how to set up your YouTube channel on mobile phone setup? I have that video on my on my channel. That's why I'm using that example. So check out that video, okay? So like, you still have YouTube to consult, okay? In as much as, yes, every one of us wants to blow up and all of that, I would also say grow up. Okay, go back to your YouTube channel, go back to your YouTube settings, go back to the way you put out your videos, your courage, the topic you're even talking about. Are you mixing things? Maybe today you are talking about lifestyle, tomorrow you are talking about this, and you're confusing the YouTube algorithm. Just check out the things you are doing that you are not doing them right, and try, like, within these 100 days, be adjusting as you are going, as you are posting day 1, day 2, day 3. Be adjusting, be working on yourself, be working on your content, brainstorm more on good, better ideas. Okay, Natural Kachi, she's currently in Kigali. She's doing her masters in Kigali. Kigali is Uganda, right? Yeah, I think Uganda. Natural Kachi stayed on YouTube for like 3 years before she got monetized, but today she's monetized. Yes, in as much as there is this video she made, she was complaining, oh, the pay is not really giving her what she wants. But as she have even traveled out of this Nigeria, that YouTube, she got to keep posting videos, because no matter how small, even if it's $100, they are paying you every month, because that's the threshold. You cannot cash out until your money average $100, right? Guy, even if it's $100, convert it to naira, it's going to help. It will go a long way for you. Let's be sincere, it's going to go a long way for you. Okay, so don't give up. Stop comparing yourself. I know you want to blow up. Me too, I want to blow up. Okay, I would like this. I know this channel is gonna be monetized on or before. I'm not saying hit 1,000 subscribers only and 4,000. I say monetized, like make money, monetized. Like I'll be qualified to start earning on or before the end of this 100 days challenge. Okay, so yeah, that's it for day 4, and I'll see you guys in day 5. Like, I've tried, guys. Let me show you where I will drop my phone. So my phone, this not to make my YouTube videos and make money. We need to monetize this channel, okay?
Bye bye.